Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this video CTA section in your website with just one click. Only one requirement, that is you have to have Ultimate Blocks plugin in your system. I think you know how to install Ultimate Blocks plugin. Just go to plugin and then add new plugin and then search for Ultimate Blocks. You will find the Ultimate Blocks and then click on install and activate it. So that's all, you are ready. After installation, you have to come to this page to copy this plugin. No worries about that, I'll paste the link in the description. So come here and copy this plugin. From here, just click on copy. That's all. After copying this pattern, just go to your desired post or page. Let's go. And just press Command or Control V in your keyboard. And that's it. Now it is yours. See how we can customize this? Just click on the video and click here on replace. From here, let's change the video URL. Let's go to another video and let's copy the video URL and then just select this and just paste the new video URL. Just click on save. Here the video is changed, so you can change the heading, you can change the description, also you can change the button name, like say this. Okay, you can customize everything. Just also you can change the background as well. Just go to styles tab and just change the background whatever you want. So that's easy it is. You just need to copy and customize it as your own. So that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any plugin idea in your mind, please let us know so that we can create it for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.